Hey YouTubers, so if you're watching my video, you've got one of these Kodak Playsport Zx3s, and if you're like me, whenever you go to turn it on, you get it for a second and it'll either turn off or it'll, well, in this case right now the screen's staying on. I kept sitting there mashing the power button and it started acting a little different, so I wanted to start recording and show what happened in case I actually got this thing to work. I tried to load the new firmware in with the SD card and all, and on this one I've not actually had this work. I got it in the eBay auction bundled with another, oh, see the screen turned off, bundled with another camera, and I just got me a charger for it, or a USB cable for it, and I'm hoping to get it to work. Anyway, earlier I wasn't even able to get it to power on with the battery in there. But let me close that up, and I just started mashing the power button. Oh wait, let me turn it off. There we go. I'll just start pushing the power button and see what happens. See it come on, and right back to the screen. Huh. Oh man, check that out. I got it to stay on. Oh, never mind. So that's what I got it to do earlier. It brought up some kind of menu and then it just ran away. Now let's try this without the battery in there. Nope. I just made it mad because it won't come on now. And okay, run, okay, peace. Okay, so after lots and lots of playing, you're not gonna believe what happened. Check this out. See, it's working now. Jesus Christ loves you. Jesus Christ loves you. The question is, how did you get this to work? Now, first let me start off. Okay, I bought this thing. When I bought this camera, it did not work. As you see in the video, it would stay on for just 2 or 3 seconds and then turn off. Well, anyway, I bought this in a eBay auction lot with another camera, the camera I'm using right now to record, and got an awesome deal. But they said they couldn't find the power cable for this guy right here, and hopped on eBay, found me one for like $4. It's got this thing all charged up. A lot of people said that they had problems and theirs wouldn't charge. Well, this one did. But the way that I actually got this to work was I used my cell phone wall charger and the connector for this, and following some advice I read online there, as quickly as I plugged the phone into the charger, I pushed the power button. And it's been working right ever since. No problems. And before that, it was not charging the battery at all. And now, after being asleep all night, it's charged the battery and the camera's back to working like it should. So anyway, I wanted to add on there that the way that I got my camera to work was plugging just straight power into it, not the computer, and pushing the power button just as soon as you can plug the power in, and it seems that actually reset this device. Thank you for watching my video. God bless and praise the Lord Jesus Christ, God manifest in the flesh.